Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Ahmad Azizan bin Ahmad Azhari, 2020842764 from CS111. I will represent my answer with my friend Nur Ain Shamimi binti Hambali, 2020494416 from CS1433A. Let's proceed to the question.
Question 1A. 10 letters of words management are arranged in line. So, for question A1, find the number of arrangements that can be formed from the letters above. The word given is management. In this word, we have total letters of 10. So, the number of ways to arrange is 10 factorial. The number of ways to arrange the letters that appear 2 times is 2 factorial times 2 factorials times 2 factorials times 2 factorials, which is equal to 16. In order to get the number of arrangement that can be formed is equal to 10 factorial divided by 16. And then the answer is 226,800. Next, for question A2, find the probability if the vowels in that word must be together. In this word, it has 6 consonants and 4 vowels, but the vowels contain 2 letters with repetition. So the number of ways to arrange is 7 factorial. For number of arrangement, we get in bracket 7 factorial times 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial, and then we get 7,560. The probability if the vowels must be together is PA equal to NA over NS, which is 7,560 divided by 226,800. So, the answer will be 1 over 30.
Now, for question B, we must find probability A union with B. So, first of all, we must recognize every formula from the hint given. Firstly, we got probability A union with B equal to probability A plus probability B. But from the question, we just got probability A. So how to find probability B? We must use the address hint, which is probability A given B equal to probability A subset B divided with probability B. But we need to find probability A subset with B first. So we can find it on another hint, which is probability B given A equal to probability B subset A divided with probability A. Here, we just replace it with what the question gives. So, probability B subset with A will get 1 over 5. Next, we replace it on the second hint. So, it will be 1 over 3 equal to 1 over 5 divided with probability B. So probability B will be 3 over 5. Now we got the probability B. We just add it with probability A to get the answer. So 1 over 5 plus with 3 over 5. We will get 4 over 5. So that is the answer for question 1B Roman 1. Now for Roman 2, is A and B are mutually exclusive events? The answer is they are not mutually exclusive because total probability of both is not equal to 1. Question C. A bridal bucket comprising a 10 flowers chosen at random from 8 lilies and 10 roses. Find the probability that there must be equal number roses and lilies. So, by that, we just make 5 places for lilies and 5 place from roses. So the formula will be 8 choose 5 multiply with 10 choose 5. The answer will be 14,112. Now for question 3, they asked to draw a tree diagram to summarize the above situation. Firstly, we just let out all the information that we can use. From past experience, it is known that 25% of the clients are assigned rooms at Villa Inn. So we just let V equal to room at the Villa Inn, so probability V equal to 0.25. Next, 40% at the Riverview Lodge, so let R equal to room at the Riverview Lodge, probability R equal to 0.4. And 35% at Bristol, so we let B equal to room at the Bristol, probability B equal to 0.35. It was found that there are plumbing faulty in 7% of the rooms at Villa Inn, in 4% of the rooms at the Riverview Lodge, and 3% of the rooms at Bristol. Here we just let F equal to plumbing faulty, so probability faulty given Villa equal to 0.07, probability faulty given Riverview will be 0.04, and probability faulty given Bristol will be 0.03. Now we just put all the hint we note out to the tree diagram. For B, we just do probability faulty subset with Villa, which is equal to 0.07 multiplied with 0.25. The answer will be 0.0175.
Okay, next, for question number 4, one of the most profitable items at Ridwan Auto Security Shop is the remote starting system. Let X be the number of such system installed on a given day at this shop. The following table lists the probability distribution of X for the past 80 days. So for question 4a, find the average number of such system installed. This question implies us to look for the mean, that we call it as expectation or EX. This is actually a discrete function, so EX is equal to summation of X times with probability. To solve it, we get 1 times 0.1 plus 2 times 0.25 plus 3 times 0.3 plus 4 times 0.2 plus 5 times 0.15. And then we solve it and we get the answer is 3.05. Next, for B, calculate the E in bracket x squared plus 3x plus 9. This question, we must simplify it and we get ex squared plus 3ex plus 9. In order to get ex squared, we must use ex squared equal to summation of x squared multiplied with probability. And then we just need to enter the correct number to get the ex squared. The answer should be 10.75. After that, we need to enter the correct value, which is ex squared equal to 10.75 plus with 3 times with 3.05 plus 9, and we get 28.9. For question C, calculate variance 2x. For variance 2x, it is equal to 2 to the power of 2 variant x. When we solve it, we will get 4 variant x. To get the variance, we need to apply formula EX square minus with EX square, and then enter the value from EX and EX square from previous question. With that, we get 4 in bracket 10.75 minus with 3.05 squared. The answer will be 5.79. Lastly, question D. Find the distribution function of x. For this question, we need to add a new column for fx, and then we need to add the value in the table, and the last column must be 1. So, right after completing the value in new column, we need to write the fx. It must start with 0 and then 0.1, 0.35, 0.65, 0.85 and lastly 1. For the right side, we need to enter the correct class interval from the table, which is for 0, x less than 1. For 0.1, it is between 1 and 2 class interval. So, it will be x is more than and equal to 1 and x is less than 2. So, the rest just fill it correctly. That's how to solve this question. With that, thank you.